What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the stable. I'm Brandon. Thank you as always for tuning in. Today I got a treat for you. It was a little bit of a sleepy day here at the dealership. Was looking for something to do. I was getting a coffee and Jude said, hey, you know what would wake you up even more than espresso is driving the AMG GT Black Series. So here we are with it. Historically, I'll be honest with you, I tend to hate Mercedes, but I saw this and I think this is a pretty unhateable car. This is definitely the sexiest Mercedes I have ever seen in my life. I know next to nothing about it. So we're gonna take a spin. I'm gonna learn, Jude's gonna educate me, and we're gonna see what this thing can do. Let's hop in. All right, so we are inside the AMG GT Black Series. As I mentioned, not a huge Mercedes guy, but I am right now.
Yeah, it's a sick car. You can't hate this thing.
Yeah, I mean, not only does it look amazing, Alcantara suede everywhere. I love the orange stitching. I love red, I love yellow, but you do see them fairly often.
Right.
You're not gonna see the orange stitching. I even love that little transition in the decor
door
there.
panel.
Oh, yeah, on the door panel. This is great. Plenty of carbon fiber, plenty of matted carbon fiber. Seat is definitely competitive. It's definitely bear hugging me. It's not uncomfortable, but it's firm. It's definitely firm.
Yeah, it'll hold you in place.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's a pure track car, so like you're gonna get the track experience. But I love how there's like different luxuries in here. Like you still have a Burmester sound system in here. It's super nice. You got nice carbon fiber everywhere. They didn't skip any expense in this car.
Yeah, and I mean it does feel ergonomic too. Like I do feel comfortable. It feels natural and intuitive where everything's laid out. Love the controls, love the exhaust here, the suspension, everything's very accessible. But all right, cool. Well, let's take it for a spin. Ooh! Oh my goodness!
That sounds incredible.
That sounds way better than I would have expected.
Yeah, so you're in Sport Plus right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Full race car, and it's got one more mode. It's got race mode too. It's still completely different.
Yeah, I will say this is a race car. I feel everything in the road, not to the point of discomfort, but so that you're aware of every bump.
Yeah.
This is a connected vehicle for sure.
Right. It's fantastic. Like, it's the fastest thing around the Nürburgring. Like the only other thing that's faster than it would be the Mercedes AMG 1, and that thing's a completely different level of vehicle. But this did a 6:43, I think, around the Nürburgring, and like nothing else has beat it unless it's been modified or like it's not road legal. But this thing it's weird because you put it in comfort and it's a very dailyable, it's a very drivable, acceptable car, but then you put it in track mode.
You know, let's put it in comfort.
Yeah, put it in comfort and it's perfect. Put it in track mode and it's so brutal, so responsive.
The exhaust is still variable even in comfort mode.
So,
all right, that's cool.
Yeah, so you
Am I
have
going
like
straight here?
Oh, you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
This is really cool. This is the traction control. There's like 10 settings to it.
Oh yeah, I saw that when we first looked at it. Okay, traction control only with ESP off.
Yeah, so you can't.
Interesting.
Yeah, you gotta like mess with it.
Yeah, man, this feels rocket ship-esque.
It is.
Even the mirrors are so close too. In like you almost feel like they're in your face, but the visibility is surprisingly good.
Yeah, so we're in comfort now, but if you put it in like Sport Plus or race.
All right, so there's Sport. Well, let's go. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it beefs it up a little bit.
I mean, without even touching the pedal, it beefs it up. You feel the revs change immediately.
And you feel how the car's like shaking.
Yeah,
a little more.
100%.
Yeah,
it sounds
more aggressive.
So good. And I mean, honestly, I'm always on the aesthetics more than anything. And boy, if this combo isn't right, but all black, do we know if that's matted paint or if that's PPF on there?
I believe it's paint.
Yeah, I thought I saw it in the door jam, so I think that's the actual paint color. But yeah, that with all the exterior carbon, man, this is menacing.
And this is completely OEM. Like all this stuff is this is how it rolls out of the factory. It's quick too.
I'm gaining new respect for Mercedes right now. This is a work of art, man.
Yeah, when they build a car, they do it right.
I don't know. I just, there's something about the regular everyday Mercedes that you see that just looks so plain and unspirited to me. But this is just, oh my God, this is a different level. This almost feels like a different make of car. There are so many drive modes, and I will say, man, this is a true performance car, and that you do, especially in race mode, you feel every bump here.
Yeah, you feel that, right?
You feel
everything.
And you hear everything too.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
I can see why this is a straight enthusiast car.
Yeah, it's not for the everyday person.
No.
Because if you don't like that, you're going to hate this car.
All right, guys, we just took this thing for a spin down the road. Absolutely exhilarating and engaging and connected drive. Feeling every bump in the road, hearing every last gurgle and burble from that engine. This thing sounds phenomenal. Definitely a true rear-wheel drive car. I'm loving this so far. This is, I've never seen a Mercedes that I love, period, let alone this much, especially, man, with all this orange accenting on the seats, on the stitching, on the dash, Alcantara as far as the eye can see. Even this nice little engraved, or rather embossed, AMG badge. This is pretty slick. Let's get out and take a look around, because the exterior is even nicer than the interior. All right, guys, we just got done taking this thing for a spin. Now let's get to my favorite part, which is the aesthetics of it. Every single square inch of this car just screams aggression, and I absolutely am here for it. Multiple tones going on of the same color. We have this metallic matted black paint, and it is also the paint. It does have PPF equipped, but that's not what's giving it the matted effect. So I do love the paint combination, but in stark contrast to that, you have the gloss carbon fiber accent in the mirror caps, the roof panel, the side skirts, that giant rear diffuser, this even more giant dual level spoiler, which is absolutely enormous. But my favorite part in terms of the carbon fiber are these giant panels on the hood scoops. These hood scoops are enormous, plenty of curvature to the hood scoop, and the carbon fiber panel itself lends itself very well to the overall aesthetic of the car. You've got these front canards as well as the front splitter. And even, guys, I'm gonna keep saying this, I've never been a Mercedes fan. Maybe I should have given them more credit having seen this, but even this grille, just with these giant vertical pillars and that Mercedes-Benz emblem, everything about this is designed so aesthetically. I think my two favorite parts of this are not only the hood scoop carbon fiber panels, but I love these gills right here, if we can call them that, on the front quarter panels. Just screams aggression. Even the little minute details, just like the red outline on this V8 badging with the bi-turbo. And then you've got the wheels in a satin finish with the machined edge, giant beefy carbon ceramic brakes. I'm changing my tune on Mercedes. I mean, I know this is not your grandmother's Mercedes, but holy hell, this thing looks beautiful. Even the tailpipes here, the exhaust pipes, it looks like it's PVD coated. I personally am a huge fan of PVD coating. I have that on my wheels on my car, so always believe in that one. But man, this whole thing looks, sounds, feels, drives absolutely aggressively. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you've ever seen one of these in person, because this is my first time. What's your favorite part about it? If you're interested, not only am I going to be sad to see it go one day, but I'd love to be the one to sell this. If you're interested, reach out to me. Cell phone is 856-534-4006. I'll also have my contact info in the description in the video. But man, I just, there's so much to take in with this thing. This is absolutely phenomenal. This car alone is making a believer out of me in what Mercedes can do and produce. I'm in love with it. All right, guys, so in closing, this has been a spectacular car. This is our 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, just over 600 miles on the odometer. If you're interested, reach out to me directly, referencing stock number PA042851. Our sale price on this car is $459,900. $900. And if you are interested in this or any other units that I have available, feel free to give me a call or a text directly. My cell phone is 856-534-4006. You can also email me at BNeuberger@FerrariDallas.com. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for taking a drive with me. Let me know what you think in the comments and let me know what you want to see next. As always, I'm Brandon, and thanks for watching The Stable.